Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to find information about the drivers installed on your computers. We're going to be using a free tool called DriverView. It's by NirSoft, so they make a lot of cool little utilities, and they're kind of outdated looking, old school looking, but they still work and do a good job. So once you download the zip file, you just extract it, and you'll have this executable, so there's nothing to install. So you just double click it to run it, and it will show you all your drivers here with all kinds of information. Then of course you could sort by name. Probably want to sort by description to get an idea of what it's really for. And then the ones highlighted here in this pink color, they're the non-Microsoft drivers. So see if we could find anything like one for Google Drive and so on. And of course you can see the company, the version, type, address information. And then also if you go to the file, let's say you want to know something about this driver here, go to File, Google Search. It'll do a Google search right there for you. You could also see the properties of that. Take you right to the file properties so you don't have to go browse for it. Then edit, select all, deselect all, find option, of course, copy selected items. So if, let's say you wanted to get the information about this right here, then you could just copy that information and paste it in somewhere else. And of course you could hide the Microsoft drivers. That just narrows it down quite a bit. Show grid lines. Add header line to your CSV file. Export a HTML report. Choose your columns. If you don't like all these columns, you don't need them. Like I say, you don't need this load count and index. Give yourself some more room there. Auto size the columns, refresh information, and so on. And then, of course, beep when drivers change if you have it open and that kind of thing. So it's pretty simple, but it does come in handy if you need to find driver information for specific hardware, especially modified date or version number and that kind of thing. So I'll put a link in the description so you can download it, extract it, just run the executable, just something handy to keep on your computer for when you need it. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.